Want to run AI models on your own computer without sending data to the cloud? Two tools dominate the space in 2025, Ollama and LM Studio. But which one should you use? Let's find out. First, Ollama. It's a lightweight, open-source command line tool. You pull models with simple terminal commands and it exposes a REST API for easy integration. Perfect for developers who love automation and scripting. Then there's LM Studio. This is a desktop app with a beautiful graphical interface. No terminal needed. You browse models, download them with one click, and start chatting immediately. It's designed for anyone who wants local AI without the technical headaches. Both are completely free and run models locally on Windows, Mac, and Linux. So, how do they stack up? Interface. Ollama lives in the terminal. LM Studio gives you a polished GUI with built-in chat, model discovery, and visual controls. If you're not comfortable with command lines, LM Studio wins here. Performance. Both use the same backend engine, llama.cpp, but LM Studio on Mac supports MLX models, which are faster and use less memory than standard models. Ollama is lean and efficient, especially for automated workflows. Flexibility. Ollama shines for developers. Its CLI and API make it perfect for integrations, scripts, and production pipelines. LM Studio offers less customization but more convenience with features like side-by-side model comparison and visual parameter controls. Model selection. Both access thousands of models from Hugging Face. LM Studio has a built-in browser that makes discovery easier. With Ollama, you need to know the model name beforehand. Setup. LM Studio is point-and-click installation. Ollama requires basic terminal knowledge, but setup is still straightforward. Here's the bottom line. Choose Ollama if you're a developer who needs flexibility, scripting, and API integration. Choose LM Studio if you want the easiest, most visual way to experiment with AI models locally, especially if you're on a Mac. Both are powerful. It really comes down to whether you prefer working in the terminal or with a GUI. Which one are you trying first? Drop a comment below, and if this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more AI tool comparisons.